According to statistics, only a small percentage of you who watch our videos are actually subscribed. If you're not subscribed yet and you enjoy what you see, do consider hitting the subscribe button. This encourages the algorithm in promoting more of our mental health content to more people out there. Odds are you probably want to feel better about yourself, whether it's being more confident, having a positive self-image, or simply feeling good about who you are. Having high self-esteem can have all sorts of positive effects for you and your life. So with that said, here are 5 ways to boost your self-esteem. Number 1, focus on the good things. When you feel bad about yourself, it's easy to focus on all the bad things about yourself. You might think about all the mistakes you've made, your past, or even things you dislike about your appearance. But when you focus on these negative things, your self-esteem will continue to go down. Instead, try to focus on the good things about yourself. Maybe it's a kind word from a loved one, a compliment from a stranger, or simply a time when you felt proud of yourself. Focusing on these positive things will help you remember that you're a good person who has done good things and will likely do good things in the future. Number 2, be kind to yourself. Would you talk to a friend the way you talk to yourself? Chances are the answer is no. You wouldn't be so hard on them or say such harsh things because you care about their feelings and want to be there to support them. Well, you should do the same for yourself. Treat yourself like a good friend. Be there to support and comfort yourself when you're feeling down. And don't be so hard on yourself when you make a mistake. Everyone does. Everyone makes mistakes. It's just part of being human. The important thing to remember is to learn from your mistakes and move on. Beating yourself up over them won't help anyone. Number 3, don't compare yourself to others. There's a popular saying that goes, "Comparison is the thief of joy." This couldn't be more true when it comes to self-esteem. When you compare yourself to others, you're essentially saying that your worth is dependent on how you measure up to them. And that's just not the case. You are worthy just for being you. Besides, social media often gives us a distorted view of other people's lives. We only see the highlight reels, not the everyday struggles. So don't compare your behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel. It'll only make you feel bad about yourself. Instead, focus on your own journey and be happy for others who are on theirs. Number 4, do things that make you feel good. It's no secret that doing things you enjoy makes you feel good. It's why we watch our favorite movies, hang out with our friends, and take vacations. It's fun, enjoyable, and makes us feel happy. But sometimes we forget to do things that make us feel good, especially when we're busy or stressed. That's why it's important to make time for the things that make you feel happy, whether it's reading a book, going for a walk, or taking a hot bath. Make time for the things that make you feel good and do them often. Not only will it improve your mood, but it will also improve your self-esteem. And number 5, set realistic goals and achieve them. One of the best ways to improve your self-esteem is to set realistic goals and achieve them. When you set and achieve goals, it shows you what you're capable of, and it gives you a sense of accomplishment. Plus, it gives you something to be proud of. That's why it's important to set realistic goals that you can actually achieve. Start with small, achievable goals and work your way up. This will give you a sense of accomplishment and pride that will boost your self-esteem. Do you think you'll try some of these tips? Let us know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with those who might benefit from it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is posted. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in our next video.